Hello and welcome to a quick little video tutorial called Animal Merge. We are going to be using Photoshop to merge two animals together, and we're going to be using a large soft brush. So it's just a little quick review on masking, also on using a large soft brush in masking. So if I've got my Photoshop here, I'm just going to go File Open. I've already downloaded two images from Unsplash, and I've got them in my documents here, Photoshop and Animal Merge. So I've already downloaded two different images. So I'm going to start off with this bird. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go File Place. And I'm going to go File Place Linked because it saves a little space. Embedded, it makes the file a lot bigger. And I'm just going to put that on top. Then I'm going to probably resize it a little bit, but it looks like it's, probably about the right size there. And then I'll press enter. And that was just Control T to resize. And now you can see I'm on this one, on this layer. So I'm going to add a mask to it. And then I'm going to mask out the background really quickly. So I'm going to take a paintbrush. I'm on the mask, not on the image. It's on black. Black conceals, white reveals. So I can just do this really quickly. I could use a quick selection tool or a magic wand, but they're probably not going to work that great because his colors kind of match the background a lot. So probably the brush is the easiest way to go. Remember, square brackets can make it bigger or smaller. So I'm just going to do this super fast. And I'm only going to keep the head really. I'm just going to do this on high speed so you don't have to watch so long because I think you already know how to do this stuff. All right, now I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to take the mover tool, put the head over there. Now you can see I've missed a few little spots. And this is where I'm going to go to a really soft brush to start with. Although I think I might go Control T. You see his head is kind of pointed down, but I think I'll point mine straight at it like that. Then so really soft brush now. I'm going to go to 0% hardness, and I'm going to make my brush a little bigger. I don't like how it's going here, so I'm going to probably zoom in on that. I might actually get rid of a bit of that bottom. All right, so now once we've done that, it's looking quite good. And it is possible that you may have to do some hue, saturation, and adjustment layers. So those are all found here to just match your color. You could put a solid color on top of it to match the colors. You could uh, do a hue saturation layer. You could do a vibrance. You could do a brightness contrast, but so far my colors are looking pretty good. So I'm fairly happy with that. And that is the basics of how you do an animal merge. Thanks for watching.